Creative professionals rely heavily on technology to bring their ideas to life. From graphic designers and photographers to filmmakers and musicians, having the right tech tools is essential for their work. In this video, we will explore some of the most helpful tech gadgets and software that can enhance the creative process and boost productivity for these professionals. We start by taking a look at the powerhouse of any creative professional's toolkit, the computer. For graphic designers and photographers, a high-performance computer with ample memory and storage is crucial. One popular option is the Apple MacBook Pro, known for its sleek design and powerful performance. PC users might prefer the versatility of a laptop like the Dell XPS 15, which offers great graphics capabilities and a vibrant display. Once we have the computer, the next step is finding the right software. Adobe Creative Cloud is a must-have for any creative professional, offering a suite of powerful applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. These software tools allow designers to edit photos, create intricate graphics, and edit videos with ease. For musicians and composers, popular software options include Ableton Live and Logic Pro, providing a range of tools for music production and composition. Next, we move on to the essential peripheral devices. A high-quality monitor is essential for accurate color representation and detailed editing work. The BenQ PD2700U, for example, offers a 4K resolution and an impressive color range, making it a great choice for photographers and designers. Additionally, a reliable and ergonomic keyboard, such as the Logitech Craft, can enhance typing comfort and efficiency during long working hours. For creative professionals who rely heavily on visual work, a graphics tablet can be an invaluable tool. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a popular choice, offering pressure sensitivity and precise control for digital drawing and illustration. It allows artists to directly manipulate their creations on the screen, making the process more intuitive and natural. Another exciting technology that is revolutionizing the creative industry is virtual reality, VR. VR headsets, like the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive, can transport artists into immersive virtual worlds, providing unique opportunities for experimentation and interactive experiences. Artists can sculpt 3D models, paint in volumetric space, or even explore virtual galleries to showcase their work in new and exciting ways. As we dive deeper into the video, we explore mobile technology. With smartphones becoming increasingly powerful, they have become indispensable tools for creative professionals on the go. Apps like Adobe Lightroom allow photographers to edit and enhance their images directly on their smartphones, while music production apps like GarageBand offer a portable recording studio. In addition to smartphones, tablets can also play a significant role in the creative process. The iPad Pro, coupled with the Apple Pencil, offers a versatile canvas for digital artists and designers. Its portability and touch capabilities make it ideal for sketching, note-taking, and even video editing on the go. Lastly, we cannot forget about storage solutions. Creative professionals generate vast amounts of data, from large image files to high-definition videos. Having a reliable and efficient storage system is crucial. External hard drives, like the WD My Passport, provide ample space to back up and store projects securely. Additionally, cloud storage services, such as Dropbox or Google Drive, offer convenient access to files from any device. Throughout the video, we highlight the benefits and features of each tech gadget and software, discussing how they can enhance the creative process for professionals in various creative fields. We also emphasize the importance of finding the right balance between functionality, performance, and affordability, as each professional's needs and budget may vary. By the end of the video, creative professionals will have a clear understanding of the tech tools available to them and how these tools can elevate their work. They will be inspired to explore new possibilities, embrace innovative technologies, and push their creativity to new heights. With the right tech tools at their disposal, creative professionals can unleash their full potential and bring their visions to life in ways they never thought possible.